Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jude Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react another cover video of Gabriel Henrique. So he's doing a song entitled I'm With You. So I believe that this is originally done by Avril Lavigne. So I'm really excited for this one guys because this is another Gabriel Henrique video. So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to this amazing Brazilian singer Gabriel Henrique, just check on my channel. So let's check this video of him. Ooh. Wow. I really like the background. I really like this song. It reminds me of the 90s. Ooh. His voice is really clear. I really like the meaning of the song also. The emotion. So good. This time the camera it's moving slowly, right? Wow. His voice is really good. Wow guys, I really like the cover video of Gabriel Henrique. It's so nice and it's really emotional. The way he delivered the song, it's really good. He's really fantastic singer. I really like the quality, the tone of his voice. It's so perfect. And wow, and I really like how he put the emotion into the song. So it's really good. Wow, Gabriel Henrique, it's really fantastic and amazing singer. So that's why I really like listening and making reaction to Gabriel Henrique, because he's really great and he's really amazing singer. He looks so good now, huh? He become thinner. It's really good. The high notes. It's really great. Even the low notes sound so good. Nice. There you go guys, my reaction to the cover video of Gabriel Henrique doing a song entitled I'm With You, originally done by Avril Lavigne. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.